In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Make.com. Connecting Slack to Make is a great way to build automations between your team, chat, and other apps without needing to write code. Once the connection is set up, you can create workflows that watch for new messages, send alerts, and move information between Slack and the rest of your tools. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to make that connection clearly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to Make.com. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the upper right area and click Create a New Scenario. This opens the visual workspace where your automation will be built. In the center of the canvas, click the large plus icon to add your first module. Search for Slack, then select the official Slack app. After that, choose the first trigger or action you want to use. For example, you might choose watch messages if you want Make to detect new Slack activity, or create a message if you want it to send messages into Slack. As soon as you choose the Slack module, a configuration panel will appear. In the connection field, click Create a Connection. You'll then be asked to enter a connection name. Pick something simple and descriptive so you can recognize it later. Next, choose the connection type. Bot is usually the best option for most automations, especially if you want to post alerts or monitor channel activity. User can be useful if the workflow needs the same access permissions as your own Slack account. After that, click Save or Continue. Make will open a secure authorization page. If Slack asks you to sign in, log into the correct workspace. Before approving anything, double check that the workspace shown is the one you actually want to connect. Then review the permissions being requested and click Allow. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be taken back to your Make scenario. Now finish the module setup. Choose the channel type, such as public channels, private channels, or direct messages. Then select the specific channel you want the automation to use. You'll also see a limit field which controls how many items. Make should process during each run. Set a number that makes sense for your test, then click OK. To test everything, click Run once at the bottom of the Make window. This puts the scenario into listening mode, then go to Slack and send a quick test message in the selected channel. Return to Make, and you should see a small result bubble appear above the Slack module. Click it to inspect the data and confirm the message was captured correctly. If everything looks good, turn the scheduling switch from off to on so the automation stays active. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next.